How to fix Handelsbanken Norway app not working. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for Handelsbanken Norway app and then tap on the Handelsbanken Norway app option. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue was fixed or not, and if not, launch the settings application on your device. Now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Handelsbanken Norway app application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. And if your issue is still not fixed, try to delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and hold on the Handelsbanken Norway app, and you will see the Remove App option. Tap on that and then tap on the Delete App option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on Delete again, and then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Handelsbanken Norway app and reinstall the application again. Once reinstalled, open the application and use the application further, and your Handelsbanken Norway app should be working just fine by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.